Exploring nature's superfood for a stronger defense. The immune system is a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to defend the body against harmful invaders, such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other pathogens. Its primary function is to recognize and eliminate these foreign substances while also distinguishing them from the body's own healthy cells and tissues. The immune system plays a crucial role in maintaining the body's overall health and protecting it from infections and diseases. There are 5 foods which will boost your immune system. 1. Garlic. It is believed to boost the human immune system through its array of potential benefits. Firstly, its antioxidant properties, stemming from elements like vitamin C, selenium, and various phytonutrients, work to shield cells from oxidative stress. This stress, if left unchecked, can erode the immune system's efficacy over time. Allicin, a sulfur-based compound released when garlic is crushed or chopped, is another key component. It has garnered attention for its potential antimicrobial, antiviral, and antifungal effects. Allicin is thought to bolster the body's defense against infections by targeting various harmful microorganisms. Moreover, garlic might stimulate immune cells, such as macrophages and lymphocytes, as suggested by certain studies. These cells are pivotal in identifying and neutralizing invasive pathogens, thus offering a significant boost to the body's natural defense mechanisms. Garlic's anti-inflammatory properties are also worth noting. Chronic inflammation can compromise the immune system's effectiveness. Garlic's ability to curb excessive inflammation supports a balanced immune response and preserves immune function. In addition, garlic's advantages extend to cardiovascular health. It has been linked to lower cholesterol levels and improved blood circulation. A healthy cardiovascular system indirectly fortifies the immune system by enhancing overall bodily functions and decreasing the likelihood of chronic ailments. Furthermore, garlic contains compounds that act as prebiotics, nurturing beneficial gut bacteria. A thriving gut microbiome is associated with enhanced immune function, as the gut plays a critical role in immune responses. 2. Bell peppers, especially the vibrant red, yellow, and orange varieties, are packed with nutrients that contribute to a stronger immune system. They're notably rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant crucial for white blood cell production and immune defense against infections. These peppers also contain antioxidants like beta-carotene and phytonutrients, which protect cells from oxidative damage, reducing inflammation and supporting overall immunity. Moreover, their beta-carotene content aids in maintaining healthy skin and mucous membranes, essential barriers against pathogens, while also helping regulate immune responses. The nutrients in bell peppers, including vitamin C and beta-carotene, play a role in developing and enhancing immune cells like T cells, B cells, and natural killer cells, all critical for identifying and neutralizing harmful invaders. Additionally, their anti-inflammatory properties stemming from antioxidants and phytonutrients help maintain a balanced immune response by managing chronic inflammation, which can otherwise weaken the immune system over time. Bell peppers' high water content and fiber content contribute to hydration and gut health, both of which are intertwined with immune function. Hydration supports immune cell activity, while fiber maintains a healthy gut microbiome, essential for robust immune responses. Furthermore, the versatility of bell peppers makes them easy to incorporate into various dishes, facilitating the integration of their immune-boosting benefits into your diet. 3. Spinach is a nutrient-rich food that offers several ways to support your immune system. Packed with antioxidants like vitamin C, beta-carotene, and phytonutrients, spinach helps shield cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Vitamin C, in particular, aids in producing and activating white blood cells, crucial for fighting off infections. Spinach's high beta-carotene content contributes to maintaining the health of mucous membranes, the body's first line of defense against pathogens, while also assisting in regulating immune responses. Additionally, spinach provides non-heme iron, necessary for the proper functioning of immune cells, ensuring they can effectively respond to threats. Rich in folate, a B vitamin, spinach supports cell division and DNA synthesis, critical for the rapid multiplication of immune cells during an immune response. The antioxidants and phytonutrients found in spinach also have anti-inflammatory effects, which help keep the immune response balanced and effective. Spinach's dietary fiber content aids in nurturing a healthy gut microbiome, which is closely connected to immune function. This leafy green's versatility in cooking makes it easy to include in your meals, further promoting immune health. While spinach offers immune-boosting nutrients, remember that a comprehensive approach to immune health involves maintaining an overall healthy lifestyle. This includes engaging in regular exercise, getting adequate sleep, managing stress, and avoiding excessive alcohol and tobacco consumption. 4. Broccoli. It is a nutritional powerhouse that offers various ways to bolster your immune system. With a substantial amount of vitamin C, it plays a key role in supporting immune function by aiding in the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for battling infections and maintaining overall immune health. Broccoli's antioxidant content, including vitamin C, beta-carotene, and phytonutrients, shields cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, ultimately supporting immune response. One of broccoli's standout features is its glucosinolate content, which converts into compounds like sulforaphane. Sulforaphane has the potential to enhance enzyme production that detoxifies the body and guards against oxidative stress, contributing to overall wellness and immune strength. Moreover, its beta-carotene content supports mucous membrane health, reinforcing the body's defense mechanisms and helping regulate immune reactions. Rich in dietary fiber, broccoli promotes a healthy gut microbiome, an integral part of immune function. Its anti-inflammatory attributes, stemming from antioxidants and phytonutrients, aid in maintaining a balanced immune response by managing chronic inflammation. This cruciferous vegetable's versatility in cooking makes it an easy addition to various dishes, facilitating its incorporation into an immune-boosting diet. 5. Turmeric. It is a vibrant spice with a long history in traditional medicine, is believed to offer immune-boosting benefits. Its active compound, curcumin, holds various potential advantages for the immune system. Curcumin has demonstrated anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can contribute to immune health. By reducing chronic inflammation and oxidative stress, curcumin supports the immune system's ability to function optimally. Additionally, curcumin's modulation of immune cell activity and its potential to enhance antibody responses may further strengthen the body's defenses. While turmeric shows promise in supporting the immune system, it's important to note that its effects might vary depending on factors such as dosage, bioavailability, and individual responses. Incorporating turmeric into your diet, along with maintaining a healthy lifestyle that includes balanced nutrition, exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management, can collectively contribute to a resilient immune system. However, for personalized advice, especially if you have medical conditions or take medications, consulting a healthcare professional is recommended if you are ready to take your health and fitness to the next level. Dive into the world of experts' tips and advice by clicking the link in the description below. Don't forget to like the video, and if you want to learn more about health and fitness, subscribe to our channel.